Hello viewers, welcome back to the mathematics class. So in this class we are going to dive into solution of this question B. Okay, of this question here. This is Y question. Okay, I want to dive solution of this question B here. So this question is from Y question. Also you can find this question also in JAM exam. So guys, if you are new to my channel, do it to subscribe, like, also important in case what we have a benefit like this, so don't be the first one to find. And also guys, if you're watching for our Instagram, or if you're watching that for our Facebook page and any other social platform, please follow us and give a like to this video and share with your friend and family. God bless you guys as you do so. So without wasting much of time, let's have a solution of this Y question. So the question is that if 2n for base 7 plus we are 15 and base 9, find the value of what of n. So if assume that you see this question at the first time, okay, how do you solve this question? Okay, don't lie. So how we solve this question? This question is quite very simple. I always say to my student that whenever you see a question in mathematics, the first thing is to identify the question based on the topic. Identify the topic of the question. So if you look at this question now, you can see it's talking about base, right? And that is number base system. Now, how do you solve this question using in number based system now? That is the next question now. Now, if you look at this question now, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple and very fast method, okay, to solve this question. But very cheap and very fast method that's probability you may not aware of this method, that this method work and how you can solve this question. A very fast method to solve this question. So let's dive into it now. We have the question that we have of 2n, okay, then base 7. So let me write it out here. We have 2 words n, okay. This one is 2, take it right very well. So they are 2 and 4. We have base 7, then base 4, and they'll be equal to summarize the question out. We have n here, that's in base 9. So in this space now, to convert this base here and this base here, they are not the same. I want to find the value of what of n. So you have to make the base of the same. Now, how do you do that? You have to convert this side and this side, they convert the both sides to base 10. That is a very easy way to solve it. Now, how do you convert it to base 10? So let's dive to it now. I said earlier that I will use a very simple method to do this kind of calculation. Now, this method is called a number-based code. How do you apply number-based code? If you could still remember when you say school, you have taught a binary code, okay? That only works for only a binary number, that is between 0 and 1. But you can apply the binary code under this or other base like this. But for the sake of this film, I will expose the other code for other base, and I will explain how you can derive the code for different type of base. Now, in this base now, we want to convert this one to base 10. And we are in base 7. Let's apply the code. Now the code says that, let me write this out. We have a 2 words n word 4. Okay, the first word is always raised the power of 1. Okay, so the next one is to be what, because we're working towards base 7, so we have to multiply it by this one, multiply this one by this one by the base with 7. 7 times 1, we have the next one is raised power of what, of 7. Now to get the next code now, you have to multiply by this one by the base also, which is 7. So 7 times 7, we have what? We have 7. Here we give us, we have 49. Rather, we have 49. Aha. This one is called 49. It's raised power of 49. So the same thing we have here. So let me say equal. So this one is raised power is base 9. And write it out there. That is 1/5 what of n. So they are in base 9. So we want to convert it to base 10. Now, in this place now, since we are working toward base 9, the first one is always power of 1. Okay, to get the second one now, because we are working towards base 9, we have to multiply 9 times what 1 here. That gives us what that is 9. Now, what to be the next code now? Okay, to get the next code now is to multiply, because we're working towards base 9. This 9 multiplied by the base, that gives us 81. So this one's base power of 81. So if you use that expansion method, we still get the same thing. So you don't need to use expansion method to be solving this kind of question. If it is objective, you have to be very smart. Now, how do you apply it now? It'll be 1 times 4. Okay, let me start from this page now. We have a 49 times 2. That will give us what, 98. This one will give us 98 plus, okay, 7 times n. That will give us what, 7 what, 7n. I get now. So in this place now, we have a 1 times 4. That will give us like plus what? That is 4. So the next one, and so we have done with this part now. So let me equal to, okay, this one we have 81 times 1 here, that gives us as 81, okay, and that's where we have 81 plus, okay, net times 5, that is 45, here we have 45, okay, plus we have 1 times n, that gives us as n. Now what you just have to do here is to collect like times, okay. So when you collect like time here, we have this 98 plus 4, that gives us what, 102, okay. Here we have, let me try to write this out there. 102 plus what, 7 or n equal to this 81 plus 45, that gives us 126. We have 126 here, okay, plus what, plus n. Now let's collect like time. Let's take n to n, number to numbers. So let me dive the n to this place. We have our 7 what, 7n minus, because turn to minus here, we have plus here. When you cause this b turn to what, minus, we have minus what, equal to, okay, we have equal to, so this one you have what, 120 or 6, okay. Let's turn this one to this place, that give us minus what, 102. So let's subtract it now. 102 minus 126 minus 102, that give us as 24. So this place we have 24 here. In this place 7n minus n, that gives us as 6 or 6n, and then they get the value of n. Now you divide both side by 6, divide both side by 6. So 6 here we have 1, 6 here we have 1, 6 we cancel this, okay. So even if it's 6 here we have 1, 6 in 24, that is equal to what, that is 4. So definitely now our n now is equal to 4. So the value of n is equal to 4. So the find value of n is equal to 4. So guys, the solution to this mathematics problem, this is from WAEC, and also you can also find this question from other JAM, okay. And NECO, any kind of exam, if you're writing math-based system, is always important. Hope you guys understand. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a like to this video, share with a friend, and also follow us and subscribe to our channel in case what, we have benefit like this, you'll be the first one to find. And also if you have any problem with mathematics problem, you can let me know in the comment section so I can help you solve it like this. Yes, let's dive into it guys. Bye for now.